67H Farmer here. Excuse me. Well, I've been working on this wood splitter. I got the pump on there. Yay, we got the pump on. I got everything hooked up. I had this hooked up at one point, and I'll tell you why it's not hooked up right now. So yeah. Well, anyway, before I reveal what happened, some of my viewers already know because they hang out with me all the time. But either that or they help me. But we've primed this hose with more automatic transmission fluid. That's why that clear hose is red. Took about 5 gallons of that stuff. 4.5, 5 gallons. And that's not even filling up the cylinder here. Got the engine running. Smokes like crazy. Probably got bad rings in or something. So I run it till she blows and put a Predator 6.5 horse Predator on there. But looking at this pump, just looking at it, it doesn't look like a 2-stage pump like you would want for a wood splitter. And if you look really closely, you see an arrow pointing in that direction. And if you watch that coupling, we want to make sure it spins this direction. And I just pull on the pull cord. Watch that. Yep, it spins backwards. Oh. Yeah, pulling on it. And kept building up pressure on the return side. It was building pressure right here to shoot. No, wait. Can't remember how it was, but I know it was building pressure in the tank because it was shooting hydraulic fluid out the reservoir fill there. Actually, like shooting it. I had a big sheet of foam board there, but you can see the big puddle of all the stuff that came out when it came out like that. Just, oh, what a nightmare this thing is. I went through four trips to the local hardware store to get the fittings for this, to make that work, to find out it doesn't even work. And I'm just going to order a brand new pump off the Surplus Center for 150 bucks. And I will reuse this fitting, this barb fitting that was on there. That will go right here. And then there's going to be another barb fitting just like that on the pump. So all you need is a hose from there to there. So I didn't even need to go and spend $30 on fittings and hose and clamps and everything. I didn't have to do it at all. I don't even need that. Well, I probably do need to keep that, but the rest of us, all this. I got a stubby 1/2 inch, 1/2 inch 45, a 1/2 inch to a 1 inch, and then a 1 inch to a 3/4 barb, and then, oh my god, what a nightmare. Then a hose to a 3/4 barb to 1 inch to 1.5 to that. What a nightmare. Oh, what a nightmare. I thought I had this set in stone. Yeah, we'll be able to run it. Yay. We got us a wood splitter. Nope. Nope. So, that was kind of disappointing. It is what it is. If you got a project in here, you're working on a project like the Cub Cadet, and this is just like what Chucky 2009 says. If you think it's going to be a quick fix, and it's something that's tying up your shop, take the however long it's going to be. I thought this was going to be like 2 hours to put on there. Quadruple that by 20 billion, and then some. And assume all the parts that you bought don't fit. And we get this. Yep. I feel you, Chucky 2009, with your I watched your pickup bed trailer you had there. I don't know if you watched my channel, but I definitely watched yours. You had your pickup truck box trailer. Were you doing axle seals on that? Well, your pinion seal didn't fit. Like, And it took you all day to do that. Yeah, I feel you. This has been like a week now, a week and a half of working on it. But finally got air in the tires and they roll. We did that last night. That was a little fiasco itself. I was gonna put a brand new tire on there. I had a tire on there, and the axle and the wheel is bigger than the axle on the wood splitter, so it wouldn't fit. Just my luck. Of course it wouldn't fit. Why would it fit? It's a wood splitter. Why wouldn't it fit? It's just all the wrong things. It's the exact same size tire, exact same size hub. It doesn't fit. And then I didn't have no grease, so I just filled that hole in. That was there when I bought it. I just filled that in with oil. So if you put it upside down, it will leak oil. It probably already leaked it all out of there, out of the back of the bearing or something. When you spun it around, it spit oil out of it. Oh, maybe we're good. As long as it's lubricated, I'm not going to take it down the road. Fast as this thing's going to go, I was like 5 behind my tractor. And it is still dripping. Probably because I cranked it over a couple times. Because it still has pressure on that side. But hey, at least I got two pumps that spin backwards. Compared to any lawnmower engine, you'd have to put that on like the front of a car engine or something. I don't know what the hell you'd use that for. Makes no sense to me. I thought, maybe I got an extra pump. I could put that on the front of the Cub Cadet. There you go. Nope, because that spins the same direction. I have to put on a pulley system and have it mounted this way. It's like, you got to be kidding me. Of course it would. So, yeah, that's my mess. So, right now I'm done with this. I gotta wait till payday to buy that pump, and after payday I gotta wait for that pump to come in from Surplus Center. I'm gonna bank on that being like 7 to 10 days, being that it's so dirt cheap. So I'm gonna pull this out of the barn and work on insulating this wall right here, and maybe that back wall as well. It is just way too cold right now. Right now it's probably 17 degrees, and that is really warm. 17 degrees is warm from what it's been the last week and a half, and what's going to be for the next 2 weeks. Tomorrow they're looking at wind chills of negative 35 in the afternoon. Yeah, it's nasty. We're not getting much snow, but we're getting frozen. I'm sure everyone else in the rest of the country's pretty cold as well. But thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more.